please. And 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Let's get qualification match 24 started, and the Blue Alliance is taking all the time in the world to score these notes. They're trying to get them as fast as possible. Let's see what the Red Alliance can do to match that as Team 7762 gets a note up into their speaker. Coming out of the autonomous period, Rush is rushing to the center of the field to pick up some notes and shoot them back for their alliance. Team number 1, that's the Juggernauts, is running over to get a note from their human player station, or not, as they're sitting in the center of the field. Rush, however, is going to get a note from their human player station. Team 7716 has a note in their intake that they look to maybe be trying to score into the amplifier, as their partner, Team 7762, gets a note up into the speaker. 7597, that's Team Horsepowered, are in the middle of the field, trying to take that note to go score into their alliance's speaker. Team number 1, that's the Juggernauts, has a note in their robot that they're looking to score into the amp. They get it. Rush is cruising across this field, getting notes, scoring them into their speaker. They're doing everything they can to make sure their alliance wins, and it's showing right now as we're over halfway through our match, and they're almost doubling the other alliance's score. They shoot a note into that blue amplified speaker to further increase their lead. Red, not wanting to be outdone, has seen 65-66, the battering rams, scoring into their own speaker to make sure that they can make up that difference. Team 7716 looks like they might have a little bit of an issue with their intake, and they're sitting in the center of the field. Team Rush 27 going back and forth, trying to pick up another note from their alliance's station, and they're bringing it back to score into the speaker. They do. As we're approaching endgame, the Juggernauts are lining up to climb, and they're getting ready to, with Team Rush, look like they're going to let's see what they can do. The human players start throwing on notes for both sides, as the Red Alliance is trying to climb for their team as well. Climbing can get you an extra ranking point in this game, so every point is helpful. And as we're counting down to the last few seconds of this match, the Red Alliance robot 7762 looks like they might be off the ground. Unofficial score of 39. The Blue Alliance picks up 3 ranking points, unfortunately dropping Team Rush down to 6th. We'll see what they can do to make that up. The Red Alliance unfortunately walks away with 0, but they will